Hey everyone, my name is Guy Pigden and welcome to the Savage Filmmaker channel. Thanks for stopping by. But who exactly is the Savage Filmmaker?
He's the best star pilot in the galaxy and a cunning warrior.
Why does he have a mullet? And what's this all about?
That's what I keep asking myself. What's it all about?
Well, I do a lot of things. In fact, you could say I'm a jack of all trades, master of some. I shoot corporate and commercial work for a variety of clients. I also work in the digital media and design space as a teacher.
You're a teacher?
Part-time.
And I'm a pro wrestler.
Fly free! Oh my God!
Which explains the mullet, but that's a story for another time. First and foremost, I identify myself as a filmmaker. More specifically, an independent filmmaker who's been working in the industry for almost 20 years. But what is an independent filmmaker in this new digital age? I used to think it was just being a director who worked outside of the system. But that was the old world. Now we as indie filmmakers must wear many hats. Yes, I'm a director, but I'm also a writer, producer, editor, cameraman, soundie, first AD, production manager, art director, and sometimes even actor. Is that a problem?
No. Why would that be a problem?
In short, I am whatever my film needs me to be to get it made. I understand every part of the filmmaking process because I've probably had to do it. And I understand the equipment you need to make a film because I've probably had to use it. So on this channel, I hope to share some of that real world experience with you. To date, I've made two very different feature films, a horror comedy.
Yes, we know they're coming, Greg. It's very scary.
And a romantic drama.
Do you still have a thing for Stephanie?
Correction, we still have a thing for each other. I've also made multiple web series and shorts. I've been to film festivals, I've won awards, and I've had my films released all over the world. Links in the description. Once upon a time, all these things were just a boyhood dream.
The boyhood dream has come true.
I could see the destination far off in the distance.
Over here! Hey! Hey!
But I had no idea how to get there. In fact, I had no idea how to do any of it. I had no money, no industry contacts, no film school.
Can somebody help me, please? Huh? Do I have to do everything myself here?
I learned by trial and error, doing and failing and trying again and failing again. Looking back, what I needed was a channel like this to light the way and help me to learn faster. Hopefully that's what the Savage Filmmaker can be for you. On this channel, I'm going to be sharing tips, tricks, reviews, tutorials, and advice to help you make your movies on your own terms on low budgets. That might mean talking about and making gear recommendations for filmmakers. It might be advice on how to direct, where and how to save money on set, or breaking down specific elements of a film. Whatever the topic, I hope that my videos are entertaining, informative, and grounded by a strong focus on practicality, with a little bit of humour sprinkled in for good measure. If this sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe. And if you have questions about being a filmmaker that you think I can help you with, drop a comment below. And it may well become a subject for one of my videos. I'm here to help you become a better filmmaker while you help me become a better filmmaker. So let's get started.